Hey y'all, in this video I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial slash review on two products. I'll be reviewing the Fenty Beauty's Hydrating Longwear Concealer and the One Size Cheek Clapper 3D Blush Trio. So here we go. First off with the eyes, I'm starting off with the Pinky Rose eyeshadow palette. This palette is a oldie but a goodie, so I use it all the time still. So for my transition shade, I think that any light brown will work. So with a big fluffy brush, I'll be starting off with that. And this light bright pink shade, that's going to be applied over the outer corner of my eyes, like kind of right next to that transition shade that I had applied first. And now going back with that a big fluffy brush from the beginning, you're going to want to make sure you blend all that out. Okay, so using the darkest purple in the palette with a detailed brush, I'm going to be applying that in the outer corner, directly in the outer corner, and I'm going to diagonally work it downwards towards my inner lids and a little bit in the crease, just a little bit in the crease, but mainly on the outer corner and diagonally towards the lids. And then going back in with that same blending brush, I'm going to be blending everything out. God damn, why can't I talk? Shit! Now I'm going to be breaking out one of my favorite palettes of all time. This is Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. Alright, in that shade called Just Peachy, that light pink. I will be using a flat brush and I'm going to be patting that right on my lids, y'all, just like that. And of course, going back into blend. Alright, we got one of the stars of the show here. Of course, after I prime and put foundation on my face, I'll be going in with Fenty Beauty's Hydrating Longwear Concealer. This is in the shade 315W, y'all. My thoughts on this concealer, it is very blendable. I love how it just melts into your skin. This shade I had got a bit lighter than my usual concealers, so I only applied it in the inner corners of my eyes, and then here you see I'm going in with like a darker concealer to conceal the rest of my face. I feel like I would most definitely see if they had my concealer shade in the stores, but for this one I have, is perfect for whenever I want to do like a brighter under eye. So it's totally fine. Like, I love it. I love the coverage it gives. It's super blendable. Like with a beauty blender, it literally, you guys, it literally melts in your skin. Like, shout out to Rihanna, shout out to Fenty. She did it with this one. I love this concealer. But like I said, I'll definitely go and it's worth buying a different shade. But yes, I love it. You go, girl. And here I'm setting it with a setting powder that I'm not sure of. I will have it linked down below. I think it's the Beauty Bakery setting powder that I'm using right here. And then of course I'm going to be contouring with Huda Beauty's contouring makeup. I gotta get the correct name for it, but I will have all the products in this video, you guys. It will be listed down below for you so that you're not going to be missing out. But yeah, here I'm just using a different beauty blender, a more angled beauty blender, blending out that contour. That's going on my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, around my head, and my jawline. So yeah. Alright, we have the other star of the show. This is the One Size Cheek Clapper Blush Trio. This is in the palette called Gworly Pop. Okay, you guys. I have nothing but good things to say about this palette as well, this product as well. Looking in, I thought maybe the colors would have been too bright or just wouldn't really go with my skin complexion. But after blending everything in, it this is for the women of color. Like this is beautiful. I went in with the powder first, and then I went in with the glitter highlight at the very bottom. There you go, right there. Yep. And you guys, it blends out so nicely, so well. It's just, look at me just grinning ear to ear because I loved it. I give this one a 10 out of 10. Patrick Star did his thing on this. It wasn't too much and it wasn't too little. It was perfect. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. Until next time.